Hey, this is Raisin. And just after living in Bangalore for so long, I finally decided that I need to visit Visvesvaraya Museum. Don't ask me why it took me so long.
Raisin, you were just lazy. That's it.
Listen, just ignore that voice. Let's just leave that aside and explore it today. Join me. If you're a science lover, this place is a paradise. From the basics of physics to mind-bending machines, there's so much to try and learn. I experienced the magic of nitrogen. Literally, had a freezing moment. The lady that you see in the frame, I blurred it because she didn't want her face to be revealed. Check this out. Gears, mechanics, working model of petrol, diesel engines. I could have stayed here all day just geeking out. It got models for power station, interactive zones. Honestly, it's built for curious mind of all ages. But here is the thing, it could have been a perfect 10. Some exhibits are not well maintained, and parents, please, your kids are not supposed to break the machines. Let everyone enjoy. God, you can do that. Please, subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm saying this every time because you're still watching and not subscribing. Subscribe and hit that bell icon. Please. I hope you enjoyed this chaotic and fun science. Until next time. Peace.